you here?
Why you sell that to?
Yes, I sell your iPad because we don't have money. Where are you going? Okay, come here. You want your iPad back? But I sell it already. Because we don't have money. Huy. Listen to me. I sell the iPad because we don't have money. What do you want? iPad or food? If you choose iPad, we don't have food. We don't have anything to eat, Joshkin. That's why I sell it. Why are you crying like that? You don't want food? You don't want money? I will give you money, $100. The iPad is expensive. I sell it. I have $500 with me. I will give you $100. Then the $400, I will buy food for that. So you have food to eat. You have vitamins. We will just buy you a cheap iPad, a cheap tablet. But I told you you cannot play Roblox. Oh, Hala. Look at Aki. What happened, Kay? Ana, I will tell your daddy. You don't want to eat? You don't want to eat? You will eat the iPad? You will eat the iPad? What are you going to eat? We don't have money. You will just play Roblox. Then you're gonna starve. You want that? We could always buy an iPad, the cheapest one. The iPad that you were using was expensive. That's why I sell it. Then we'll just buy you a cheap one. Because I use the money to buy you food, your vitamins and everything. Because you need vitamins. Huh?
Look at the iPad shop.
We go to iPad shop? But it's night already.
Night?
You could go on the weekend.
The weekend?